boy Ajala The Traveller. It's another one. I'm at the Oyigbo market. I've come here to buy food stuff. Like I said in the other video that I went to the Lagos main market with my mother, this particular market is known for food stuff basically. So I'm here to purchase some food stuff that I want to take back with me. So I'm hoping to find everything that I want. I think I will find it, but the question will be, will I be able to afford it? So my first point of call is at the bunga fish. This is a fish, I don't even know what it's called in English, but we called it bunga fish. We use it to season our sauces, especially when you're making vegetable. It's very, very delicious. It adds a lot of taste. So let's see how much this fish is being sold for. Okay, come with me. So, Mama, any 3-5. I hope you can get her in the picture as well. You can come close so that you can be able to picture the fish. This is how it looks like before it is being separated. She removes the bone as much as possible from the fish. So if you need it for cooking, all you need to do basically is just wash and then put it in your vegetable or whatever it is you want to cook with it. So she said this part, as you see, she has already browned it, and this is mommy tea on point. Abi? Yes. Mommy tea on point. It has been branded, it has been labeled, it has been packed. So like I told you guys, it comes from this. They remove the head, the skin, and the bones. So this is a mini factory, so to speak, right here on the corner in a market. She has a brand, she has a label, she is packaging. She says this goes for 5,000 naira. I don't know if it has been put on a scale to be able to ascertain the quantity, but as you can see, it's quite a lot. It goes for 5,000, and that can be equated to 10 euros. 10 euros. That's about a little less than 10 euros basically, and that's about $10 to be precise. And I can tell you that if this particular pack makes its way to Europe, it's going to sell for close to 30 euros. I can assure you, it's going to sell for close to 30 euros. So I'm going to see if I can negotiate, or if I can haggle, if she's going to give me a reduction. But she seems to have packaged it as a result. I think she's hell bent on selling it the way she has told me she sells it for. I look about 3,000, but about 2,500, but look about 3,000. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be buying this. It goes for 3,000. That's it's less than 5 euros anyway. So this is what I'm going to be buying, and I want to support her. I like the idea. I like the idea of the packaging. It's resourceful, and yeah, it's innovative. So I'm going to be supporting that. Come closer. So, how long will it take you láti yan? Okay.
Ẹja Ìjẹ̀bú Ẹ̀pẹ́ ni wọ́n ti yan wá.
Okay.
Eléyìí ti Bayelsa ni wọ́n ti yan wá. A ní tìlàjẹ.
Okay.
Tìlàjẹ lélẹ̀ ìkẹ́jẹ́ tó ń bọ̀ wọ́n ti yan wá. Àgbọ̀dọ̀ lélẹ̀ ìkẹ́mẹ́tọ̀ọ̀sùn. Táwa ló bá kú láti ó ti wà lára síkà yìí.
Okay.
Ṣáwá and bunga. Àgbọ̀dọ̀ ó ti wà lára àwọn lajẹ ó ti káwọn èèyàn wá. Ìwà kọ́là yan.
Okay.
kára ní pálí, kára ní basket, kákàntì
Okay. So I was asking her how long it takes for them to roast it to become this dry before it gets to the market. So she was telling me that they are not actually responsible for drying the fishes, and the people who dry them, they buy from the people who buy these fishes from the fishermen and dry. And she was also explaining that they come from different regions of Nigeria. So basically they are investors, so to speak, and retailers. So they buy from the wholesalers and then they bring it to the market, they disembowel it, they remove the bones, and then they package it. That's how this goes. So, Mama, we generally call it stockfish here in Nigeria. It comes from Norway actually. They are imported. As you can see, the specification that is being sent to Europe, it's not as dry as this, but we prefer it dry. We use it as fish in the soup. We also use it to garnish our food. So for an average Nigerian, this is a very sumptuous delicacy, but they're quite expensive. So as a result, not everybody goes for them. So I'm trying to buy now. I'm going to talk to Mama. Mama has been gracious enough to allow me to do this video shoot. And people, please, whenever you come and you want to buy those stockfish, Mama is just opposite at the Oyigbo bus terminal. Just opposite the Oyigbo bus terminal, you can find Mama. Support her business. This is her hustle. Okay, now let's go to the real business of why we're here. So, Mama, èló lẹ pè lè báyìí?
Ilé ìgbà 18.
Mọ́mí kò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ 18.
Ilé ìgbà 7.
18 ti pọ̀ jù. Mi tẹ̀lé sọ fún ìyá mi pé mo ra kìíní 18,000 pé mo fi jẹ́ pàwọ́. 7.5 jálẹ̀. Guys, we are basically haggling the price. He said this is 18,000 naira. 18,000 naira. I have to do a little bit of thinking to arrive at how much this is in euros, but 18,000 naira. That's quite a lot of money though. So I'm trying to haggle to see if Mama will sell it for less. Mama, Mama, you think call? Mama kò bá 13. Kò bá 13. 14 nǹkan. Mama, 14,000. Wọ́n máa tiẹ̀ rán mi ni. Ó tiẹ̀ dá pé mò ń ṣe fídíò. Ó tiẹ̀ dá pé mò ń ṣe fídíò tó ẹni tó rán mi máa rí mo ṣe ń rà á. Kó má di pé bóyá. Kí la wí mà? Ẹ ló dà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ẹyẹ ta fún mi 15,000 mọ́ mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ẹja ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ẹja ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹja ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ mi. Ok, ẹ máa bá wa gé ṣáà. Okay, so Mama has just told me that she's not the one to cut it, because usually when you buy, you have to cut it in pieces. This thing is so hard, it will take a serious muzzle and saw to be able to cut through. So she's just told me that the person that is even going to cut it is going to be charging me 500 naira. That's about €1. So basically, it's worth it. So I'm going to let her do it. She has agreed to sell for 15,000 and then 500 for the cutting. So that arrives at 15,500. Okay. So Okay, fine. It's my kid. Okay, so do you mind, my guy? I'll just show you briefly. All right. So this is the guy that's gonna go cut it. He will cut it and bring it back. So thank you. Take it. So it has been settled. Hey guys, so I'm about to buy crayfish. It's very, very delicious. It has a lot of flavor. We use it in our sauces, pepper soup. You know, we use it to garnish the meal. So I'm actually gonna buy a small one because the last time I bought a big one, it took almost 2 years and I still have it at home. So I just need a small. So madam, yeah, bring the small one. And how much did you say this is?
This one is 1.8. Why this one is 1.5?
And that's the last.
That's nice.
But two of these fuse this, yeah?
Two of these cannot fill this. Two of these can fill this small plates. Then two of these can fill the big plates.
Oh, this is even a small.
That is small plates.
Okay, what about 1.7?
Okay, I'm going to give 1.7.
Okay, so we just agreed at a price. He's gonna sell that for me for 1,700 naira. Okay, go ahead. She's gonna fill it up and eventually I'm gonna take it to somebody that is gonna blend it. Madam, full and well, though.
Yes, it's well.
Yeah, that's good enough.
This is facing.
Only that. See what you do.
Ma no go buy some bag. Not this way now. Please, ma. Ma no buy Stockfish. Oh yeah, come up. Bag.
Oh yeah.
40,000. How many?
I'm still at the market. If I blend it and it becomes too small, I just may come back for another one. But I think it's enough
Before it
because
used to be 8.
I don't use it all the time. So now I'm gonna pay.
Can see 7. So I don't do like 40,000. 40,000. That is 6.
Madam.
That is 2.
Alright guys, so I bought crayfish. I bought a few other things. Now I'm buying this is plantain, unripe plantain that has been dried in the sun. It has been really let to be in the sun for so long. It is now really dry. So I'm buying it and I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna be using it. It's part of our cuisine. So a lot of people use different kind of, we call it swallow to eat soup. So we have semolina, we have pounded yam, but this is going to turn into plantain flour. So right now it is dry, it is raw, so it is going to be blended. So I have negotiated, so you are 1.7 including the blending, yeah? So 1,700 naira and they're going to blend it for me. So it's going to become a meal afterwards when it gets to my kitchen. Yeah, thank you. You don't put that, you vex, not the one way for, you don't put them back. Your eye is strong, bro. So, well, okay, this is the guy that's going to straight to the machine.
So this one is 2,000.
I'm going to maybe she got that delay. Where she wants delay. So man,
you know.
This one is 4,500. This one is 1,500. This one is 1,000. No, 1,000.
Ṣáàtì mọ bọ́n ṣe ń tà ẹ ti jọ wà sí pẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà bá sí lára àwọn àgbẹ̀ bá yín tà ẹ ṣe gan. Yes, we done. My sister just purchased dried. Oh, just come out here.